Good morning, everyone. Well, this is what I had all that Disney stuff in, and I've been going at it probably for an hour, and I finally got it condensed so that I could put it into the Kallax. And these are some embellishments that it's either Disney embellishments that I'm not going to stick with the paper because it doesn't go specifically with something, and then I did stick some other ones that were all Echo Park or something that they could mix or match with any of them. But these are like these Disney things where they're not really specific to, well, this one would be perfect, but some of them are Cinderella. This is a handmade one. So I'm going to put these into my themed binders where they were previously before I started working on the twins layouts. Okay, I'm going to move over to the Kallax unit now. Okay, so this went from being probably, this big, probably an inch, to all this. So now I have quite a bit in there, and so I'm glad I got that done. I don't think I'm going to do this today because I told hubby I was going to go through the closet, and I'm working my way there. I'm going to show it to you because it's frightening. So when I emptied out the island, I had already gone through this. And so in here, I shouldn't have to go through anything, those plastic tubs. But I would like to get rid of the plastic tubs. And because I'm trying to get more plastic out of my life. You would never think that when you've seen all the little containers I have with with paper in them. But I would like to get rid of these. They're so old. I hate having to come in here and go through them. And I think I'm going to put the wire rack in here, that metal rack. And you can see it's like I have a whole pile here. But these right here are just envelopes that I had pictures in. So I just keep reusing them until I can't write on the front anymore. There is a box or two of just photos. So things will go back in here, but I'm hoping I will be able to get them into the wire rack. So I'm going to do that. And I just thought I'd give you a peek of it before I started. Okay. And I'm going to move over here. I can't remember if I did anything over here or not. Okay. I have filled up the trash. Okay, I think I had this stuff. I had some small paper pads. Some of them Maureen had given me. My daughter had given me a couple previously. Maureen, I think, gave me just about everything here except for maybe the two on the bottom. And let's see. Oh, I did put some pictures in here because I'm going to have to use this here. I'll probably slide these over because I think I'm going to put this in the guest room and just for my sister to put her luggage on. And then I thought once I cleaned it up, I could put bath towels, just things that, so she doesn't have to go looking for stuff because she'll be here for about 4 days. Okay, and I did take a picture of this. But I did get I didn't say yesterday, I did add one more thing to the top here. That big blue box there, that's pictures of me and hubby since we've been together. And then we each have a box of photos from our childhood and, our life before we met. So I did get that done. And let's see. So I think that looks really nice up there. And the stuff that's up there, I don't have to get to it continuously. I still have my strings up there. I have my Minte chalk paints up there. And then I have some some jute and stuff up there in that basket, and then I have a big ball of string there. So I am getting through it. I probably will not get through this unless me and hubby are watching TV and I take it out there. But I know some of them are made into page kits, and I just don't think the rest are. So I need to have a place for that, but I do have, you know, space up here. I never dreamed that I would grow past my 8 cubes. And well, now I do have empty spaces, you know, in different places. So, you know, maybe I just still don't think I could fit back into the 8 cubes even if I tried. But because this was plumb full. This is an IKEA thing that they don't make anymore, which I don't understand. I would love to have, you know, everything that I'm working on in one of these. But, you know, I thought it was a great idea when I put the Disney in there. But then I just got over Disneyed and quit. So, so then it's like, okay, I'm done with that for now. And then it sat on my floor for probably 2 years. So I'm gonna quit filming now, and then if I do something else today, I'll check back again. Well, I am gonna work on that, so I'll check back with you later. Okay, I'm back with another update. So I did start cleaning out the closet, and I put that other this is that stack of paper. I need to go through that. I really want to get through all the paper and pass things along. I'm out of breath because I was just cleaning out the closet and then carrying stuff, that rack back in. And like, here's some things that were in the closet. These were in the closet, and I'm going to take this stuff, anything that I'm keeping, and put in baskets and put on that rack. And then I have this that has like, I have some tapestries one a friend gave me, and she's since passed, but I would really like to get those hung up someday. And let's see, what else do I have? I'm trying to go slow so I don't make anybody sick. And then I have some other, maybe a picture in the size of a poster, and I have some cork over there. So here's the rack in there. So I did just go through all this stuff previously, and so that's all picked up. I did put an empty box there. Sometimes I will save these like little, my daughter will save them for me too. Oh, look at it, it's got little candles in it. Okay, like they're magnetic closure. And so I do have actually something in that. And I have to say that if I came in here every day, I could probably remove something every day. So anyhow, this is what's here. These are my dies. And most of them are there. I do have a few that are too big for in there. And then I have my flare maker down there. I have some candle stuff here. I have this was in the drawer. It is for, what is it for? Totally blanking. To make raised, and I can't think what it's called. I'm just totally blanking. But, you know, it's when you raise something out. It's and use like powders. and I know you all know what it is. Okay. I do have some, embossed. Okay, and I do have some little embosser things here that use a light to emboss. And then sometimes I've put things in little boxes that have other things in it. Like up here, I do have stuff up in here too. And I just cleaned that out not too long ago. And I have buttons. And sometimes I use them in jewelry, sometimes on scrapbook pages, sometimes on cards. And I got seashells, some other stuff. And I can see some things right now that I could get rid of. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll be back in a few. Well, a second for you. Probably an hour for me. Bye-bye. Okay, I've got the baskets in here on the metal rack. And now I'm going to be putting like let me cover so I'm not making anybody sick. I've got beads and these are like crystal pearls, they're called. And then I had some other beads up here in this. And then some assorted things. I know I have string in here that I just stuck in here when I was moving stuff out of the island from when I was making arrows. So I am going to put everything over here that I think I need to keep and take out everything I don't think I need to keep. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll be back when I get something else done. Well, I think I'm done for today. I have some, I used to make mini albums all the time, so I have those in here. I was going to use them, but I have not, and I think I'm going to, since then, I just started scrapping everything 12 by 12. So I think I'm going to probably put those on eBay or something. I do have, this actually took up about the same amount of room as what it did before. I do have these little chipboard things that me and the grandkids can do something with. I have beads in here, and that's for jewelry. So that I did have that in 2 drawers, so now it fits in one. I have my embossing heat tool here, my glue gun. The glue in here, my extension cord. Let's see, what do I have here? Oh, I have some little cherubs that I wanted to put on some jewelry and some other things back there that I want to make. And I've had it for a long time. I need to get to it or get rid of it. I do have a soldering iron or whatever they call that for some jewelry that I want to make. This is my little box of fabric. That's it. And some, what is it, like batting. And then I have some feathers in here, which I know I have some more someplace else. And some strings for to make arrows if I decide to make more of those. Otherwise they need to go. I need to either do something with it or let it go. Okay, I'm going to turn around. Well, let me back up. I did show this, didn't I? So, I mean, it's like it looks better. Okay. And here's the stuff that I actually took this out of one of the baskets. It's those chipboard frames from Echo Park that I just keep moving around because I haven't figured out where to put them. These are some other things I had that I think a lot of it I can just probably get rid of it. What's that? Oh, some beaded lace that I might do something with. And then I had some wood items which when I first got them I thought, oh, they should all be painted gold, I guess. And I don't know if I'll do something with them or put them in a garage sale or what. I do have some little sequence pins that I was always going to do something with the grandkids. So I might save a few things to do with stuff with the grandkids. Oh, I did, I'm going to try to go slow. I did get my art thing hung up today. Since this thing was centered more to the left, I decided to put the art a little more to the right, so everything looked a little off, if that makes sense. And so this is where I put all my layouts, if you don't know that. And so, yeah, I'm gonna, this is something I still might want to do. It's like making pearls with, or tassels with pearls. I might want to do that. And then I have these Tim Holtz Christmas things. I might do something with that. Otherwise, I know my daughter wanted to, but I know she's got a lot on her plate, so if somebody's going to do it, it'll probably be me. So now my desk is thoroughly covered. So tomorrow I'll have a little bit of time to work on it. And then, but probably not too much time. But you can see there's all the stuff that I just pulled out from the floor of the closet. So now I have to decide what I'm doing with that. I told you the whole domino effect. But tomorrow we have a birthday party for one of my nephew's children. So I'm going to be working, or going there, not working. So I'm going to be going there. And so I might be able to work on something in the morning while the hubby's off doing some work at the pastor's house. There's a group of guys are going to go over there and mulch his place. So this looks much better. My goal is not to cover the floor. So I will have to see what I'm going to do with that stuff. A lot of it is photos, so they'll just have to go someplace else. I do have this much empty space. If I decide I'm keeping something, I can put it there. And whatever I had here is now gone. Oh, I had my tripod had a bag, which I definitely don't need the bag because I only use the tripod at home. And even if I carried it someplace, I'd just take the tripod, I'm sure. So I do have that empty space, but I mean, I really would rather use it like this for something tall. So I'm going to see what I can do with this stuff, but I think that's it for today. And I don't know if I'll get back tomorrow, but I'll be back Sunday or Monday if I don't get here tomorrow. So have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.